Good morning, sir. Please take me to the train station. Sure. Are you catching a train soon? Yes, I need to buy a ticket for the 10 o'clock train. All right, it should take about 15 minutes. Why are we not moving? There's a traffic jam. Why is that? It happens every morning here. Do you think we'll make it on time? Don't worry, it's not too bad. We'll move soon. I hope so. I really don't want to miss that train. If it gets worse, I can take a shortcut. That would be great. Thank you. No problem. I'll do my best. There we go. The road is clear now. Perfect. Let's hurry. We'll be there in 5 minutes. Thank you. You saved my day. You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Oh, excuse me, do you need some help?
Oh, yes, please. I'm trying to buy a ticket, but this machine is confusing.
No problem. Where are you going?
I'm going to London.
Okay, first touch Buy Ticket on the screen.
Got it.
Now choose your destination, here, London.
Oh, I see. Done.
Good. One way or round trip?
One way, please.
All right, now select the time. The next train is at 10:30.
Perfect.
Then press Confirm.
Okay, done.
Great. Now you can pay with a card or cash.
I'll use my card.
Just tap it here.
Oh, it worked. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your ticket.
Oh, thank you.
Don't forget to take the receipt, too.
Oh, right. Thanks again. Are you also going to Greenfield?
Yes, I am. I have a meeting there.
Oh, I'm there for traveling.
Maybe we're on the same train.
Maybe. By the way, I'm Elsa.
Nice to meet you, Elsa. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Are you going now?
Not yet. I want to buy some coffee first.
Okay, I'll go to the platform then.
Sure, go ahead. I'll be there soon.
All right, see you on the train.
See ya.
Hello. I'd like to buy a train ticket to London, please.
Here you are. Oh, I forgot to ask, how many people will go?
Just one, please.
Okay, one ticket. One way or round trip?
One way, please.
All right, the next train to London leaves at 10:30.
Perfect. Does the train often arrive late?
No, sir, it's usually on time.
That's good to hear. How long is the trip?
About 2 hours.
Great. How much is the ticket?
It's £20.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Here's your ticket. Please go to platform number 3.
Got it.
Are you traveling for business or for fun?
For business, I have a meeting this afternoon.
Oh, I see. You travel often?
Yes, almost every week.
That sounds busy.
It is, but I like visiting new places.
That's nice. I hope you have a safe trip.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. How can I help you? Can I buy some coffee here? Of course. There's a small cafe over there next to the souvenir shop. Oh, I see it. Thank you. You're welcome. And where is gate number 3, please? Gate 3 is straight ahead, then turn left. Got it. So I can get my coffee first, then go there, right? Yes, that's right. The train will start boarding at 10:15. Perfect. Thanks a lot for your help. No problem, sir. Enjoy your coffee and have a nice trip. Thank you.
Good morning. What would you like?
Good morning. 1 cup of coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a little cold today.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Do you have some bread or cake?
Yes, we have croissants.
Great. I'll take one.
Sure. Drink here or take away?
Take away, please. My train is coming soon.
Oh, where are you going?
To London.
Nice. It's a beautiful place.
Yes, I've been there twice.
Yes, I've been there twice.
Yes, I've been there twice.
$6, please.
Here you are.
Thanks. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Of course. What do you need? I'm looking for seat number 12. Where is it?
It's right over there next to the window.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need help with your bag?
Yes, please. No problem. I'll put it on the rack for you. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Where can I put my coffee?
You can place it on the small table by your seat. Great, thank you. I don't want to spill it. That's good to know. Enjoy your trip, sir. Thanks, you're very kind.
Are you okay, miss?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
You look a bit pale.
Yes, I just feel a little dizzy.
Do you get motion sickness sometimes?
Yes, I often feel sick when I travel by car.
I see. Are you afraid you'll feel sick on the train too?
A little, I hope not.
I understand. The train is usually smoother.
That's good to know.
I can bring you some warm water.
Thank you, that's very kind.
Also, you can wear a mask.
A mask? Does it help?
Yes, it helps with the smell and makes you feel better.
Really? I'll try that.
Here you are, warm water and a mask.
Thank you so much, you're very nice.
You're welcome. Try to take deep breaths.
Okay, I'll do that.
And look outside the window, it helps too.
All right, thank you again.
Excuse me, is seat number 12 here?
Yes, it's right there.
Oh, Elsa, it's you.
Tom, what a surprise.
We meet again. Are you feeling okay?
A bit better, but my stomach still feels strange.
I see. Do you want some water?
No thanks, I already drank a little.
All right, here, have this.
What is it?
It's a mint candy.
Oh, thank you.
It helps when you feel sick.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, the smell and taste are fresh.
I'll try it.
Good, it can make you feel less dizzy.
I hope so.
Also, you should eat a little before traveling.
Eat before? I thought it would make it worse.
Why? If your stomach is empty, you can feel sick faster.
Oh, that makes sense.
Did you eat breakfast today?
No, I didn't.
That's why you feel weak.
Maybe you're right.
Next time, have something light, like bread or fruit.
Got it. You really know a lot about this.
I get motion sick too sometimes.
Really? Then we're the same.
Yeah, I learned these tips from experience.
Thanks, Tom. The mint really helps.
I'm glad. Just relax now.
Okay, I will.
Good morning. Tickets, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
Thank you.
Would you like something to eat or drink?
What do you have?
We have coffee, tea, and some snacks.
What kind of snacks?
Cookies, chips, and sandwiches.
Some cookies, please.
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. How much is it?
£2.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Where is the restroom?
It's at the end of the carriage on the left side.
Oh, I see. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Attention, please. We will arrive at London City in 5 minutes. Please check your belongings and prepare to leave the train.
Did you hear that? We're almost there.
Yes, that was fast.
Do you have a lot of luggage?
Just one bag. How about you?
I have the suitcase and my backpack.
Let me help you with the suitcase.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Be careful with your coffee.
Don't worry, I finished it.
Good timing.
All right, let's go.
Okay, I'm ready.
After you, Elsa.
Wow, the air here feels so fresh.
Yeah, it's nice to be outside after the trip.
So, are you going to work now?
Yeah, I have a meeting this afternoon. What about you? Why are you in Greenfield?
I'm here to visit a friend. I'll stay here for 1 week.
Really? I'll also stay here for 1 week.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, maybe I can show you some nice places around the city.
That would be fun. Do you have any favorite spots?
Yes, the park by the river and the old market are really beautiful.
Sounds perfect.
By the way, can I have your contact?
Sure, here's my number.
Thanks, I'll text you later.
Okay, maybe we can meet this weekend.
I'd love that. All right, see you soon, Elsa.
See you, Tom. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Hi, Ryan. Are you okay? You look sad.
Hi, Lily. I'm not okay. I feel tired and sad.
What happened? Tell me.
Something bad happened in my English class today.
What happened in class?
The teacher asked me a question. I tried to answer,
That's good. You tried to speak English.
but my grammar was wrong. Very wrong.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Some students laughed at me. They laughed loudly.
Oh no, that's not nice. I'm sorry.
I felt so small, so embarrassed.
Don't feel bad.
Mistakes are normal.
Now I'm scared to speak English again.
Ryan, listen to me. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
But they laughed at me.
I know, but that doesn't mean you should stop.
I don't know what to do.
Let me tell you something. I made mistakes too.
Really? You speak English well.
Now I do, but before, I made many mistakes. People laughed at me too.
What did you do?
I kept speaking. I didn't stop. Mistakes are part of learning.
You're right, but I still feel scared.
That's why I'm here. I will help you.
Thank you, Lily. You always make me feel better.
That's what friends are for. We learn together.
Okay, I'll try again tomorrow.
That's the spirit. I believe in you.
How can you help me?
We can practice together every day.
Practice together?
Yes, we can speak English for 15 minutes every day.
But I will make mistakes.
That's okay. We will make mistakes together.
What if I say something wrong?
Then I will help you, and we will laugh together.
Laugh together?
Yes, friendly laughing, not mean laughing.
I see. What will we talk about?
Simple things. Your hobbies, your dreams, your daily life.
That sounds easy.
Exactly. We start with simple sentences.
What else can I do to improve?
You can read easy books. Even children's books are good.
Children's books?
Yes, they use simple words, and you should read out loud.
Read out loud. Why?
Because it helps your speaking. You practice pronunciation.
That's a good idea.
We can also play vocabulary games.
Vocabulary games? What kind?
Simple games. I give you a word, you make a sentence.
That sounds fun.
Learning should be fun, not scary.
Thank you, Lily. When can we start?
We can start right now. Are you ready?
I'm nervous, but I'll try.
Don't be nervous. Just think of it as talking with a friend.
Okay, I'll try my best.
That's great. Let's begin with something simple. Tell me what you did today.
Today, I woke up early, had breakfast, and went to class.
Perfect. See? You're already doing great.
Thank you. This feels good. Not scary at all.
That's the magic of practice. Keep going, and soon you'll speak with confidence. Let's begin. I'll ask you simple questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
What did you eat for lunch today?
I ate rice and chicken.
Good try, but we say, I ate rice and chicken. Past tense.
Oh, I ate rice and chicken.
Perfect. See, that wasn't hard.
You're right, it's easier with you.
Where is your favorite place in town?
My favorite place is the park.
Great. Why do you like the park?
I like the park because it is quiet and it has trees.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Really? I didn't make mistakes?
A few small ones, but your meaning is clear.
I feel better now.
Good. Remember, don't worry about perfect grammar at first.
What should I worry about?
Just speak. The grammar will come later.
Forget grammar, just speak.
Yes, speak first, grammar later.
That makes me feel less scared.
That's the goal, building confidence with simple conversations.